Okay guys, we got this 08 Lexus Gx470, and it has this seatbelt code, or not seatbelt, but seat position sensor code for the airbag. See the airbag light on? And I tried erasing it, so if I just turn the car on, if I erase the code, see, it goes to history. But if I just cycle the key off, turn it back on, and I reread it, see, now it came back. So our code came back. So there's got to be on the seat. So I'm going to see if we can check out the seat. Let's see. Can we go like forward or something? See if we can see this sensor. Usually you gotta get this stuff from the back. Can't usually get to it from the front because there's usually no room under here. Oh, let's see. Oh, and I see our problem already. Looks like our wires broke. Quickest diag in the world. Bam. Let's see if we can get this off. Okay, let me see if I can get this disconnected, and then we'll see if we can fix it. Okay guys, look at this. We got I was able to get this out. I think I might just cut this other one. I don't know what I should do here. I'm trying to figure out how to do this, I don't want this other one to break. The coating's broken on it. Guess I can just try to depin both of them and then put it back together. Let me see if I get this apart. Okay guys, so I have it soldered, and let's see, can we get to it? There we go. Wires are in. See, both the wires are there. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I just got it done. Gonna see if it works. Let's see if our light goes up. Oh, look at that, our light went out. Let's see. We'll connect our scan tool up. We'll ID this. See, Lexus. There we go. 2008. Full scan. There we go. We'll let this scan. Oh, there we go. Now it's going quicker. There we go. So we got a report. It should be history. Look at that history. So I'll shut this off. Let's go and clear our codes. There we go. See where the light goes out? There you go. So, hope you guys like this one. See you guys later.